Carmen Silar Sabal. We have back technical working group. We have Major Charles Socortes. Present, sir. Miss Ria Lisa Cabeza. For back secretariat, we have Julie Bialcon. Present, sir. Attorney Judith Martinez Eustachio. Miss Eleanor Atipen. Miss Lini Lozano. Yes. We have prospective supplier, Rock Road Construction, presented by Roslyn Gulawe. Present, sir. And we have also Tonsong, OPU Engineering, Marifel Palitek, presented by Marifel Elipek and Wilson Buko. Anong construction? Blueper? Okay.
Good morning po. Naka-mute po kayo, sir.
That ends the credit conference unless you have questions. You have questions? How about those on Zoom, on online, prospective bidders, suppliers?
Kitang na the message.
Got any clarification?
Ophir Engineering, do you have any clarification? Ophir
Good
po.
morning, madam.
Hello po, good morning po.
Do you have any question po of your engineering?
Question tani and
Miss, from Ophir Engineering, Miss Marifel, do you have any question po?
Good morning po. I-question lang po ma'am kung for supply lang po ito ma'am.
Yes po. Installation ba? Supply and installation. With installation. With installation daw po ma'am. Supply and
For street light and solar.
hindi po. Supply, yung studs is supply lang. Pero yung solar light is with installation. Yun ang mga instructions. Umpisa. Narinig niyo po? Yun pong solar studs is in supply lang. Pero yung solar lights po with installation po yun.
Okay po ma'am. And regarding po doon sa... Yes po.
Sige ma'am, please continue.
Regarding po doon sa requirements po ng STAD, may nakalagay po na IPO registration. Saan po iyon? Sa STAD po ba? Brand ng STAD?
Ano po? IPO? Ano yung IPO? Hindi ko alam po ano yung IPO. Yung IPO ma? Na tinatanong ko.
Ano yung IPO?
Ma'am, anong ibig sabihin ng IPO, ma'am?
Ma'am, may nakalagay po kasi sa technical specs nyo po na sa STAD may nakalagay po na IPO registration. I-clarify ko lang po sana kung ano po yun.
Public offering administration. Ito yung required by, hindi no requirement is API or polycarbonate.
Nag-break tayo madam.
We will answer it officially po para sa big bulletin natin.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
But din po sa solar street lights is may installation po. Kasi yung post, pwede pong mag ano po ng sa poste na size, mag-suggest or yun po talaga yung andoon na required specs.
PR na poste, yun po ma'am ang sinusunod po namin.
Okay po. Okay po ma'am. Thank you po. Yun lang po ma'am.
Do you
Thank
have
you po.
any question from Wilson, Sir Wilson Boko?
Yes, ma'am. Kasi, actually, nasagot niyo na po. Kasi ang tanong ko po kung supply lang po to, supply and delivery, nasagot niyo na po. So, kasama po installation ito.
Just stands po? O sa
Hindi po, ma'am,
light?
sa integrated solar. Oo.
Sa
So, kasama
integrated
po installation nun.
solar with installation po, sir.
Oo.
Kasi kasama po yung pedestal, yung poste, yung solar lights.
Yes, oo. So, then, ang location po dito is along Cannon Road.
Yes po, sir.
Oo. May designated na po ba kayong paglalagyan? Kayo pong kung saan banda
Na,
particular?
opo, na-identify na po, sir. Okay, okay. Wala road na.
Ah, yun lang po.
Okay, thank you.
Yun lang po ang question ko. Thank you very much. Nasagot na lang po.
Thank you din po, sir. Any question po from HP 360 po?
Anyway, if you have reviewed well ITB, you can ask from the back secretariat, you can call the members of the back secretariat in case po meron pa kayong mga questions later. Or if you have time, you can visit our office located the second floor of the DPWH Car Engineers Hill, Baguio City. Wala na po, ma'am, sir? So, kung wala na po,
Wala na po.
press conference is hereby adjourned. And thank you very much for attending. Good morning and have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you po.